Okay guys, so I just got here. We drove all the way from Fort Lauderdale to Merritt Island, where we packed the car, and then basically from Merritt Island we drove, 20 hours up to New Jersey, the 2493 Belvedere Road where I grew up. I gotta be honest, this place is like perfection. It's just take a moment. I know it's gonna be bumpy, but take a look at this real quick. I mean, just look at that. Just incredible. Unfriggin' believable. Incredible. I mean, look at that. That's just incredible. And the house that's built like a tank. It's actually built so that a tank could not go through it in some areas. Now, I do need to do a correction here. I've tried to convince my dad, if we go to Bithlo, we can get a nice lift for this Prius. I know the boys over there, they'll handle it. And it should be good, but as you can see, the Prius is completely overpacked. We even have an extension right there, basically to go ahead and pressure wash 2-story and 3 stories, so I can take that up to the main house that my parents have up in Maine and pressure wash it, and then we're prepping it so that I can paint it later. But guys, take a look. Absolute perfection. I know the pool covers are totally shredded, but when I get some more cash flow, I can always replace those. And I have a big announcement as well. Huge announcement as well. The huge announcement is that there was a sale for a really nice manure trailer, and I bought it, and it cost me just under $3,000 for it. You're gonna see it. I'm gonna be covering it with like 10 coats, ridiculous coats of clear coat, and then basically you guys will be able to see it in use. Very similar to the one I had back in the day, but kind of the bottom line, I'm restoring this puppy with whatever available resources I can get. And I don't know if you can see down there, but that's the valley way down there where a lot of people live. Let me do that. Right down there, and also through the tree line over there, you can see kind of in there. And then right across from here, you probably can't see it right now, but right across from there through those trees is one of the most famous golf courses for the area. Actually, it is the most famous golf course for the area. I think it's Harker's Hollow.